Today, we're going to talk about the best ways to maintain weight loss. Maintaining weight loss can be just as challenging as losing weight in the first place. It requires a lifestyle change that includes healthy eating habits and regular physical activity. To maintain weight loss, it's important to make healthy eating a part of your daily routine by focusing on nutrient-dense foods and avoiding foods that are high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button or hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise, and it's important to find activities that you enjoy and can sustain over time. Staying accountable and tracking your progress can also help you stay motivated and on track. Exercise often. Regular exercise plays an important role in weight maintenance. It may help you burn off some extra calories and increase your metabolism, which are two factors needed to achieve energy balance. When you are in energy balance, it means you burn the same number of calories that you consume. As a result, your weight is more likely to stay the same. Several studies have found that people who do at least 200 minutes of moderate physical activity a week, 30 minutes a day, after losing weight, are more likely to maintain their weight. In some instances, even higher levels of physical activity may be necessary for successful weight maintenance. One review concluded that 1 hour of exercise a day is optimal for those attempting to maintain weight loss. It's important to note that exercise is the most helpful for weight maintenance when it's combined with other lifestyle changes, including sticking to a healthy diet. Try eating breakfast every day. Breakfast eaters tend to have healthier habits overall, such as exercising more and consuming more fiber and micronutrients. Furthermore, eating breakfast is one of the most common behaviors reported by individuals who are successful at maintaining weight loss. One study found that 78% of 2,959 people who maintained a 30-pound weight loss for at least 1 year reported eating breakfast every day. Studies do not show that skipping breakfast automatically leads to weight gain or worse eating habits. In fact, skipping breakfast may even help some people achieve their weight loss and weight maintenance goals. This may be one of the things that come down to the individual. Eat lots of protein. Eating a lot of protein may help you maintain your weight, since protein can help reduce appetite and promote fullness. Protein increases levels of certain hormones in the body that induce satiety and are important for weight regulation. Protein has also been shown to reduce levels of hormones that increase hunger. Protein's effect on your hormones and fullness may automatically reduce the number of calories you consume per day, which is an important factor in weight maintenance. Weigh yourself regularly. Monitoring your weight by stepping on the scale on a regular basis may be a helpful tool for weight maintenance. This is because it can make you aware of your progress and encourage weight control behaviors. Those who weigh themselves may also eat fewer calories throughout the day, which is helpful for maintaining weight loss. In one study, people who weighed themselves 6 days a week, on average, consumed 300 fewer calories per day than those who monitored their weight less frequently. How often you weigh yourself is a personal choice. Some find it helpful to weigh in daily, while others are more successful in checking their weight once or twice a week. Be mindful of your carb intake. Weight maintenance may be easier to accomplish if you pay attention to the types and amounts of carbs that you eat. Eating too many refined carbs, such as white bread, white pasta, and fruit juices, can be detrimental to your weight maintenance goals. These foods have been stripped of their natural fiber, which is necessary to promote fullness. Diets that are low in fiber are associated with weight gain and obesity. Limiting your carb intake overall may also help you maintain your weight loss. Several studies have found that, in some cases, those who follow low-carb diets after weight loss are more likely to keep the weight off in the long term. Lift weights. Reduced muscle mass is a common side effect of weight loss. It can limit your ability to keep weight off, as losing muscle reduces your metabolism, meaning you burn fewer calories throughout the day. Doing some type of resistance training, such as lifting weights, may help prevent this loss of muscle, and in turn, preserve or even improve your metabolic rate. Studies show that those who lift weights after weight loss are more likely to keep weight off by maintaining muscle mass. To receive these benefits, it is recommended to engage in strength training at least twice a week. Your training regimen should work all muscle groups for optimal results. Be prepared for setbacks. Setbacks are inevitable on your weight maintenance journey. There may be times when you give in to an unhealthy craving or skip a workout. However, The occasional slip-up doesn't mean you should throw your goals out the window. Simply move on and follow through with better choices. It can also help to plan ahead for situations that you know will make healthy eating challenging, such as an upcoming vacation or holiday. Stick to your plan all week long, even on weekends. One habit that often leads to weight regain is eating healthy on weekdays and cheating on weekends. This mentality often leads people to binge on junk food, which can offset weight maintenance efforts. If it becomes a regular habit, you could gain back more weight than you lost in the first place. Alternatively, research shows that those who follow a consistent eating pattern all throughout the week are more likely to sustain weight loss in the long term. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is helpful for weight maintenance for a few reasons. For starters, it promotes fullness and may help you keep your calorie intake in check if you drink a glass or two before meals. In one study, those who drank water before eating a meal had a 13% reduction in calorie intake compared to participants who didn't drink water. Additionally, drinking water has been shown to slightly increase the number of calories you burn throughout the day. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep significantly affects weight control. In fact, sleep deprivation appears to be a major risk factor for weight gain in adults and may interfere with weight maintenance. This is partly due to the fact that inadequate sleep leads to higher levels of ghrelin, which is known as the hunger hormone because it increases appetite. Moreover, poor sleepers tend to have lower levels of leptin, which is a hormone necessary for appetite control. Furthermore, those who sleep for short periods of time are simply tired and therefore less motivated to exercise and make healthy food choices. If you're not sleeping enough, find a way to adjust your sleep habits. Sleeping for at least 7 hours a night is optimal for weight control and overall health. Control stress levels. Managing stress is an important part of controlling your weight. In fact, high stress levels can contribute to weight regain by increasing levels of cortisol, which is a hormone released in response to stress. Consistently elevated cortisol is linked to higher amounts of belly fat, as well as increased appetite and food intake. Stress is also a common trigger for impulsive eating, which is when you eat even when you're not hungry. Fortunately, there are many things you can do to combat stress, including exercise, yoga, and meditation. In conclusion, it's important to remember that weight loss maintenance is a long-term process, and that slip-ups and setbacks are a normal part of the journey. By making healthy habits a part of your lifestyle and staying committed to your goals, you can successfully maintain your weight loss and enjoy the many benefits that come with a healthier, happier life.